Top 10. Best fishing rod and reel. Use the same fishing line and work together flawlessly is key to successful and enjoyable fishing excursions. Number 10. Pflueger Trion Reel. Rod and reel combo you can rely on your fishing expeditions. The whole package is well put together to deliver a powerful and smooth action when fighting fish. Pflueger offers great rods and reels at a great price point. This fishing combo delivers great performance and quality at a great value. It is also built tough and well equipped for saltwater bay fishing. Number 9. Daiwa Mini System Minispin. You'll love this rod, reel, and case outfit. It is a fantastic small setup for carrying around to do light freshwater fishing. Designed especially for anglers on the move, it is lightweight, ultra-compact and easy to carry around. Quality and performance is flawless and is very capable when catching small freshwater fish in lakes, ponds, and rivers. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best fishing rod and reel or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Penn Spinfisher V Spinning Reel. The challenge with most ready-made combos is that one component tends to be top quality and the other just average. This is not the case here as both the rod and reel are solid and high quality, making this an outstanding setup that even seasoned saltwater anglers will appreciate. Definitely worth the money and recommended for offshore fishing. Number 7. Penn Battle 2 Combo. Inshore and offshore fishing. It combines a powerful and smooth fishing reel with an ultra-responsive fishing rod delivering the power, strength, and sensitivity needed to go after the big saltwater game fish and catch them successfully. Another good thing about this rig is that it has a friendly price tag for a heavy-duty offshore fishing rod and reel outfit. Number 6. Eagle Claw PK56 TS Pack. Reel combo is ideal for light fishing for bass and freshwater species such as crappie, trout, and panfish. The telescopic rod collapses to a more compact size that's easy to carry. The reel is lightweight and the handle folds onto itself for storage. These features make this combo easy to pack into a compact and portable fishing system that fits into a backpack. Number 5. Wakeman Swarm Series. Inexpensive fishing rod and reel combo perfect for those starting out and looking for a starter setup for learning or for some light freshwater fishing in ponds, rivers, and lakes every now and then. It is also a great rod and reel combo for young anglers. It is lightweight, easy and comfortable to use and works well for light fishing, delivering a smooth action. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best fishing rod and reel or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Penn Pursuit 2 and 3 Spinning Reel. The smooth and powerful Penn Pursuit 2 spinning reel and a graphite composite rod is it. It is a well-built and well-balanced combo set up for inshore, boat, pier, and surf fishing. It is designed to handle saltwater fishing and the larger fish found in it such as redfish, blues, king mackerel, and whiting, and is top-rated for its performance. Number 3. Okuma vs 600 520 Spinning Fishing Rod. The important considerations to make when looking for a fishing reel and rod is the ease of carrying to and from the fishing destination. This top-rated fishing travel kit by Okuma is a winner when it comes to that. With it, carrying your essential fishing gear wherever you go won't be a problem. The quality and value are superb as expected with Okuma. Number 2. PLUSINNO Carbon Fiber Telescopic. Reel combo for travel, easy storage, and as a starter outfit. It is also a versatile setup that suits both freshwater and saltwater fishing. This is a complete fishing kit with not only the rod and reel setup but also a kit with all other essential fishing accessories. This makes it perfect for beginners as it has everything needed to get started. Number 1. Ugly Stik GX2 Spinning Reel. See from the sleek aesthetic featuring a shiny black finish with red and silver accents, this is no longer the case. This is a spinning reel and rod combo ideal for finesse fishing using lighter weights. The rod in this outfit is exceptional. The reel is also a good quality, offering a smooth casting experience without issues such as snarls and backlashes. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best fishing rod and reel or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.